Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can drive a massive traffic from Reddit to make money. Alright, so basically what you're doing is you're harnessing the power of Reddit to generate traffic, okay, to your affiliate link. Right now, Reddit is a platform that records like almost 430 billion users like monthly. That is, every month we've got more than 430 billion users on Reddit, and it's a place that people use, and the people have I used it a couple of times alongside with my ClickBank, and I've gotten some lots of sales from the Reddit platform. So I'll be showing you exactly basic steps that you need to take when on Reddit that you can use to promote your affiliate links and thereby generate sales. Okay guys, so let's get straight into the thing. First of all, you must have joined yourself with an affiliate or gotten your affiliate link via ClickBank or Digit on Store 24 or from Warrior Plus. You must have gotten your affiliate link. And now, after getting your affiliate link, what next you need is you just need a good community, a great community where you can place your affiliate link, and to show your affiliate link with that, where it can also be seen and convert. All right, so from Reddit you've got subreddit. Now once you go over to the Reddit, you go over to this search button. You can type, I'll be showing you like three basic steps or three great steps that be you'll be using with your Reddit to be able to convert and to be able to place your affiliate links with a place that will where it will be able to get something out for you. Okay guys, now let's go over. You can type on the search button, you can type shameless plug, shameless plug. That's SHAME and ESS plug, then put your plug. Okay, and once you can see over here, it's got over 41,000 41,000 members plus, right? And you can see that. Okay, let's click on that, this first one, communities and users. So you can see that you've got almost 41,000 members, and with currently 194 people online, 194 people that will be seeing your post. So you can see over 92 comments over here. Here you can just on this shameless plug, you can post your affiliate links, or you can post your videos of your reviews, or anyhow you want it. But I'll be showing you how you can post your affiliate links on this platform. All right, so for you to be able to post your links, first of all you have to go to this create post. Now you won't just post that link or such that way like this. No, if you do this, you may definitely not drive the targeted audience to your post or to whatever. So you're going to put a form of text like format on top on this your post that you want to create. And I've got you all covered up, because just below this video I will be sharing with you a document, like more like a template that I've got you all covered up. It's more like a copy and paste, and you've got everything even imbibed inside it, all of the subreddits that to target, that you just search for, where you can be posting your affiliate links. But in this video I'll just be showing you three key strategies that you can be using, that you will use on your Reddit to drive the correct targeted audience. Because really you're not really looking up to getting the whole of the 430 billion users on Reddit, but you're only trying to get a chunk of that population, all right. For in especially those, because not everyone is interested in you're in the niche of making money, all right. Online, some people are on Reddit for other things, so you just want to get the targeted audience that you want from Reddit. Alright, so once you've gotten this first one, which is the shameless plug, and you want to post something, you can just go over to that link down where I have a copy and paste format for you. Title, as you can see over here, I have pretty cool training on how to make money as a, then I put something there that's profession, so you can just go on the title and just paste it. Pretty cool training on how to make money as you can say as a nurse, or you can say as pretty cool training on how to make money as an affiliate, as an affiliate. Now currently, so people that will most people that will be you're targeting were the affiliate people here. Alright, so the next thing is some kind of post, so that you're going to put there. You can just say this is a pretty cool training I came across that seems like a great way for affiliates to make extra money on the side. Then you can just copy of all of this and put it there and put it here. Now you can just simply edit this, okay, and put the affiliate to make extra money. Then over here you're looking for where you can where you're gonna post your affiliate link, right? Because that's the sole aim of what you're trying to do. So extra money on the side. So this place for link, you can clean it off and do what, go and get your link, and go and get your link and on the side, and over here you can just post your link over here. All right, so it's pretty long, over an hour, but the presenter seems like a really successful online business person, and the method seems pretty easy. I was wondering if anyone else has tried out this method for making money online. All right, so this is pretty much all you need to. As you can see, your affiliate link is somewhere there, and all you need to do is just post on a shameless plug, so you can, and it's definitely gonna drive a whole massive traffic there for you. Okay guys, so we've got pretty much I know that I told you I'll give you three, okay. So the second one I'll be dropping here. Okay, this one is for comments, right? It has just been posted, so I'll be giving you another place where you can be posting your affiliate links, guys. So that is, you can go over the search button and type what, startups, okay. And when you open up the startups, rapid growth and innovations is right. So this is a community that has over 700 members, right guys. So as you can see, 740k members, wow. It's and 277 currently online. All right guys, so here too you can also see that we've got lots of posts here, from lots of comments here. So you can also comment on posts, and put that your affiliate links there, just like the way you saw me post. You can see what are your thoughts. You can also be doing this. You can also be doing this here. Your thoughts. You can also maybe as commenting, you put it up there. So startups is another wonderful place where you can drive traffic into your affiliate link. I'll give you another place where you can also drive traffic from. You can go over, you can type from the search box, you can type marketing. You can put marketing, you can search for marketing there, and by searching that out, you can be able to um see that community, the marketing. All these are places, communities that have joined and posted my links and actually got results, tremendous results from such communities. So you can see this has 348 k members currently, and it's a great place where you can start to drive your traffic. Now the way you can post, the way you can create a post, you can create a post via this post via image, via link. So the link, you just drop your links, okay, but I guess dropping via the post is an awesome way to starting your venture with Reddit, okay, and driving traffic from Reddit. So I would see you. I want thank you for watching this video and this tutorial, and hope to see you in my next video.